Hey, what's going on, everyone? JP here from Crypto Hobby. Wanted to make a quick video today about Robinhood. If you haven't heard about Robinhood, they've been out for a little while. They're a traditional exchange dealing in regular stocks and EFTs, and it's a mobile app. And if you look them up on Google, it just says Robinhood Review. It is a free trading app that's ideal for investors who are willing to give up a full-service online trading platform in exchange for the ability to buy a wide selection of stocks and EFTs without paying commissions or fees. No commissions or fees. So you have a mobile app, you can trade. It's a trading platform for stocks, regular stocks and EFTs. So they've been doing great. And now they have announced that they're coming out with the ability to buy and trade cryptocurrencies 24/7 and also commission free. So this is big. This is very big. This is huge, actually. And they're coming out that right now as we speak. So what this is going to do, typically, for those of us that are in cryptocurrency, when we want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, what do? We go to Coinbase. Have to go to Coinbase or Gemini, but I haven't had a lot of luck with Gemini. They've been verifying my account for like the past 30 days, and it's just stuck. So pretty much Coinbase is what I've been using. But there are a lot of limitations to Coinbase, and Coinbase is expensive. They have high fees, and if you use their exchange, if you transfer from Coinbase to GDAX and then out to wherever, it's not quite as bad. But if you transfer directly from Coinbase, you're going to get smacked with some fees. And but the bottom line is, this one, Robinhood, no fees. So this is one we're going to keep our eye on because this is a big deal. Also, in this video, I'm going to leave a link below that for signing up to Robinhood. If you sign up using that link, then you will get a free stock. And I will also get a free stock. We don't know what that stock is. It's kind of random. They pick it out. Could be Apple. It could be Sprint. It could be Ford. It's just random. So you get one free stock. And so every little bit helps, and I'll leave a link to that below. But yeah, the first thing you want to do is go to sign up for Robinhood, the app itself. So you want to sign up here, and they're going to want to verify everything. I signed up for mine last night, and you have to put in your social, and you have to put in your real information. You can't just make up names and things. They have to verify who you are because this is linked to your banking information, and it is, since it's a regular trading platform, it's regulated. And so I put all my information in last night. This morning I got an email, everything was approved, good to go. So you sign up for that, and then the next step what you'll do is come over here and you will click on this, Get Early Access, and you'll click on that. It's going to ask you for your email address, the one that you just used to sign up for their app. And then you'll be on the waiting list to get early access. Now the waiting list, let me see if I can find it. There it is. The waiting list right now is over 1 million people. Now, yesterday when I looked at this, the waiting list was about 30,000. And the day before that, it was at about 100. So within 3 or 4 days, these guys have shot up to over 1 million people waiting in line. That's how huge this is going to be. It is big. Mobile app convenience and no trading fees. For those of us that just want to buy some Bitcoin or some Ethereum and have an easy way to do it, then with no fees, then this is the answer, I believe. We'll take a quick look at the blog that they put out on the 25th of January. That's blog.robinhood.com if you want to look at it. It's got a lot of good information. Buying together is the first part. You can now monitor and invest in cryptocurrencies, options, stocks, and EFTs all on the same platform. And that's pretty much the first time. Bank transfers up to $1,000 will be instantly available in your account to trade cryptocurrencies. If that works out the way I think it will, then they've got Coinbase beat. The instant credit card or debit card feature on Coinbase, for me, only allowed like $300, and I think after 60 days they will bump it up to $500. But if you wanted to get more money than that, you had to use a wire transfer or your bank account, which would just take forever. The wire transfers don't take long, but if you just do it straight from your bank account, it does. So that's big. So I'll be watching that to see how that works. And commission free, of course, we said that, but that's a huge point. So I'm going to stress that again. And secure and established platform. So Robinhood is a secure platform. It's trusted by millions of Americans that have already been using it. It's already proven. So, and I have read also in other blogs and things that they're looking at third-party wallets in order to store the cryptocurrency. So, which is here. Now we'll look at what's going on right now. Today, starting today, you can add the 16 cryptocurrencies below to your watch list. You can monitor market data, read cryptocurrency news, and create custom price alerts. So all 16 of these cryptos will be available. And as I said, I think they're using a third-party wallet. But I'll find out about that. And we'll just watch this closely as we go. So you can do that now. Now in February, though, you can... trading is going to be limited to Bitcoin and Ethereum, with more coins tradable later. And then trading functionality for these two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, will be released gradually in waves to Robinhood residents in California, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, and New Hampshire. It'll be available in more states soon. So again, we're going to keep you posted on that. Don't sleep, get early access. So you want to get over here, you want to get on the waiting list for that. But before that, click on the link below so you get your free stock, and hopefully it'll be a good one. We don't know what it's going to be, but sign up for on the app, get the app on your phone, and then go over to get the early access over here. And also, just FYI, there is an early access waiting list for Robinhood for web, which would be for like desktop and computers. Not available yet, but in case you have an interest in doing that, you can sign up for it. So Robinhood also has a Facebook and Twitter page, and they have, there's 1 million people in line waiting there. They've got it on there. So regular updates and things that are going on. You can check that out. Check out the Facebook page, and lots of good information there. So I'm going to watch this one very, very closely. This is a good one. This is something to keep our eyes on, because for those of us who have been paying so much and going through frustrations with this site, it's the only one out there. So for the most part, it's working, but the fees are not good. And this is going to be something we're going to be watching very, very closely. So I'll keep you updated on it, though. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be having regular updates on these and other ICOs and other altcoins and exchanges and wallets and everything that has to do with cryptocurrencies. It's going to be a lot of good information for you. So I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your money or where to invest. But I'm going to share my experiences and what I'm going through, what I'm learning. I'm going to keep sharing it with you on the channel here. So if you like it, go ahead and subscribe, hit notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.